Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're standing on this 2019 Scout 195 Sportfish. Perfect boat, you know, for the back bays and stuff like that. On the calmer days, you can definitely take it out front. A lot of seating for family, just a perfect boat to spend the day out on the water. So we start up back here. I'm going to point out we do have the Yamaha 150. This is the XCA, so this is the digital throttle. Makes that in and out of gear a lot smoother and easier. As you come aboard here, as you enter into the boat, this seat does actually flip up with the engine trimmed up. We aren't able to show that to you right yet. Moving up here at the helm, do have a live well underneath of the seating right here. Just easily flips up, and they have a nice large live well right there. You can remove this backrest here if you wanted the space, and you have 2 additional rod holders there. Up at the helm station, nicely laid out for the captain. It does have the Lenco trim tabs with the indicators. Nice large area if you wanted to add a GPS to the boat with the Fusion stereo and the JL audio upgrade. Great T-top coverage right here. Nice for those hot days. It gives you a little bit of shade to get out of the sun with the rocket launchers up off of the back. Continuing forward. Nice Yeti cooler. That is a seat as well, also removable, so if you wanted to take this off of the boat, you can do that. And then this has the cushion package as well, so you get that nice kind of sun pad layout area up front. Great spot for the kids and the family just to hang out and enjoy your time out on the water. A nice large anchor locker up there in the front as well. So thank you for taking that walkthrough with us of this 2019 Scout 195 SF. My name's Bill Herr. If you have any questions or you'd like to see the boat in person, give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.